In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix the VidIQ 429 too many request error. It is super easy to fix. So the thing is, as you can see here with related keywords, that request failed with status code 429. And the reason why it does that is because there's too many request error. A normal error with Google Chrome and all that. And to fix it is super easy. The first thing you need to do is go up to the three dots up here. Then you need to go down to the Chrome settings tab down here, over at the menu with privacy and security, and go up and clear your browser data. Then from here you need to select from basic to advanced, and then enable the browsing history, the download history, the cached image and files, the passwords, the autofill from data, the site settings, and the hosted app webs data. And the only thing you need to enable is the cookies and other site data. And you need to time range it to all times. Then you can just clear data. I've just recently done it. As you can see, I have only 25 sites. Then you need to go down here and close down Chrome. Then you need to open up Chrome again, open up with your account, and then the issues should be fixed. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!